Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Crocs Classic Clog. Summer gardening shoes like these breezy, generously sized clogs are perennial favorites. At the end of a sweaty day, you can hose them off, and the ventilation holes keep your toes cool while still protecting them. You can rotate the strap to sit over your heel for extra support or flip it up for a slip-on feel. Their lightweight molded foam conforms to your foot for an extra comfy fit, and they weigh just a few ounces. There are whole sizes 6 through 12 for women and 4 through 17 for men. Slip into your favorite clog and enjoy a custom fit, water-friendly design and ventilated forefoot for breathability. The Croslite footbed molds to your foot for a custom fit with arch support. Buy a pair of Crocs Classic, the suitable shoe for the beach or boat. Our second best gardening shoes is Hunter Rain Boot. A wedge heel provides support for your heels, while the classic Hunter logo adds sophistication. Wear them all day if you'd like. The Play boot features a simplified variation of the design of the original boot and offers a dynamic silhouette with a flatter platform sole that allows maximum comfort and versatility. These women's wellies are made from the highest quality natural rubber and are 100% waterproof. The short boot ends at the top of the ankle, a style-conscious length that fits perfectly with street style, festival flair and many other options, according to your taste. Third pick in our list is Slogger's Waterproof Garden Boot. Slogger's women's rain and garden boots are just the right height for garden work or rainy days around town. Lower and wider than most rain boots, there's more room to tuck your pants into, and just like the rest of Slogger's made in the USA boots and shoes, they feature all-day comfort insoles and a signature deep lug sole for great traction in wet and muddy conditions. Slogger's boots are made from 100% recyclable, medical-grade material, so they have a soft feel, produce no odor, are easy to hose off clean, and will last for years. The sole contains up to 50% recycled material, and when you're finished with your boots, you can send them back to Slogger's. Number 4 in our side is UGG Sienna Boot. A classic rain boot with a high gloss finish, the Sienna features waterproof construction and a sheepskin lined insole to keep feet warm and dry. Add rainy day functionality to any outfit, worn alone or paired with our rain boot socks, which are crafted to cuff over the top for customizable styling. Insole is dyed sheep for a rubber sole. Shaft measures approximately mid-top from arch. Heel measures approximately 1 inch. Polyurethane insole with sheepskin lining. Number 5 in our top 5 best gardening shoes list is London Fog Rain Boot. Floral boots like these are anything but ordinary. It's hard to beat a pull-on shoe when it comes to getting outside quickly. They come in more than a dozen different patterns. Stay dry and stylish on those gloomy days with the Piccadilly Rain Boot. Rubber upper. Elastic side panels. Approximately 5.5 inch shaft with a 12-inch circumference. These stylish London Fog Rain boots will keep you dry, no matter how much it rains. The brand has embodied a classic metropolitan appeal. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.